Craving creamy butter chicken? Let's make this delicious dish from scratch. It's easier than you think. Start by taking 1 kilogram of boneless chicken and slicing it into medium-sized pieces. Place the chicken pieces into a bowl. Add the following spices to the chicken: 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon hot spice mixture, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix the ingredients together thoroughly, using your hands to coat the chicken evenly. Now, chop the following ingredients: 1 medium onion, 2 medium tomatoes, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1/2 medium ginger, chopped into 4 pieces, 2 green chilies. In a pan over low heat, add the following. We are using Irish butter here, but you can have any butter of your choice. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add the chopped onion, ginger, garlic, green chilies, and tomatoes into the pan. Toss in a handful of cashews and season with salt to taste. Blend this mixture into a smooth paste using a blender. Next, heat a grill pan over medium heat and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place the marinated chicken pieces onto the grill pan and cook until they are golden brown and fully cooked. In another pan over low flame, add a pinch of cumin seeds and some butter. Once the cumin seeds begin to splutter, add the blended paste from earlier into the pan. Season with the following: 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon hot spice mixture. Add the cooked chicken pieces into the pan and stir well. Add a pinch of fenugreek and some cream to taste. Then cover the pan. Allow the flavours to combine, and your creamy butter chicken is ready to serve. Serve the butter chicken with roti or naan and enjoy. And that's your perfect butter chicken. Like, subscribe and comment if you try it happy cooking.